Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to talk about costs associated with the service, both unexpected and expected. Do you have any guesses how much I've spent over the past 4 years? In those 4 years, I've covered almost 80,000 miles. I bought the car with just over 6,000 miles on the odometer, and now I'm at over 85,000 miles. So I put together some numbers. Total cost over 4 years and 85 or almost 80,000 miles is just over $9,000. That translates to about $190 per month, or per year, $2,273, excuse me. And the warranty deductible cost, I spent about $400 included in that total $9,000. Some other things that I can summarize: I've had 4 items replaced under warranty. That was the center armrest, the radiator, left rear shock absorber, and low pressure fuel pump. The average miles between oil changes was just over 8,300 miles. The longest oil change interval was 9,500 miles and change. The shortest oil change interval was 6,300 miles. And the total number of oil changes was 9. So 2 more than required per the service interval at this point. So comment down below, is that about what you expected? Less? Is that high for a luxury car or for a performance car? Is this something you would afford or even be willing to pay for? Why are the costs so high? Well, that's because I didn't do any of the service myself. And the service that I paid for included things like tires, any major service, oil changes, of course, things like that. So why wouldn't I do any of that myself? Well, I'd rather spend that time doing other things, honestly. Other things that have more value to me, such as painting my house. If I were to pay someone else to do it, it would have cost me, over 15 grand. Also, whenever I went to go get service, I tried my very best to make it a habit to try and work on something, whether that was work or learning something new, to try and advance myself in my career or to try and get a promotion. And I was pretty successful at doing that over the past couple of years. Since owning this car, I've managed to get a few promotions and change positions and increase my income. Anyway, I hope that was a nice little summary about the expenses for my Giulia Quadrifoglio. Thank you for watching and for your attention. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you all in another video. Thank you again. Bye-bye.